What I said? Please, can you able to say? It will pump to what?
So, vena cava and
Vena cava.
deoxygenate.
So the main vein carries the deoxygenated blood to the right atrium
Right.
of the heart, right atrium of the heart, right atrium of the heart, right atrium of the heart. When atrium is in relaxed, when the atrium is in relaxed, when the atrium is in relaxed. Do you understand, Ra? Yes or no? Now,
Yes, sir.
this is what the step for. Now, finally, deoxygenated blood is reached to the right atrium. Now, you tell me, if the blood wants to pump into the right ventricle, either the right atrium need to contract or relax.
Contracts, sir. It will contract.
It will
Relax.
Contracts.
It will contract, because contraction only the blood will be pumped to V2. What is that V2 name called as? Pranav?
Tricuspid valve. Tricuspid valve.
So that is what the step 5. So the right atrium, once it is received the deoxygenated blood from this understanding main vein called as vena cava, then it will contract immediately and it will pump the blood into the right ventricle. It will pump the blood into the where?
Right ventricle.
Right ventricle.
That is what the step 5. Please write it, all of you. Step 5. What is that step 5? When the right atrium contracts, when the right atrium contracts, when the right atrium contracts, deoxygenated blood is, where it will push it into
Right
which ventricle? Which ventricle? Push it
Right
into which
ventricle.
ventricle? Right ventricle. Do you understand it? Write it. When the deoxygenated blood is, understanding, push it into the right ventricle through the valve V2, again from first. When the right atrium contracts, deoxygenated blood is pushed into the right ventricle through the valve V2. What is that valve called as?
Tricuspid valve.
Tricrypsin. Understanding, tricrypsid valve. That is what you have to note it down here. Bracket you can write. That is right ventricle. Now Tina or Pranav, Arya, everybody tell me, where is the blood finally reached to? Right ventricle. That or not? Now you people tell me, from the right ventricle we have what? Oxygenated or deoxygenated? Yalni?
Deoxygenated.
Deoxygenated. Deoxygenated blood must be pumped to where? Must be pumped to?
Lungs.
Only one artery which will brings this deoxygenated blood from right ventricle to the lungs. That is only called as what?
Pulmonary artery.
Pulmonary artery.
Only artery which will carries the blood. Only for what? Only for lungs, not for
Lungs.
body organs. So right ventricle we have a deoxygenated blood, so it needs to pump into the lungs. So by contraction or by relaxation? Anybody? By contraction or relaxation?
Contraction.
By contraction or relaxation?
Contraction, sir.
Contraction. That is what the
Contraction.
step 6. Understand? Please, all of you write. When the right ventricle contracts, last step. When the right ventricle contracts, the deoxygenated blood is pumped into the lungs through the which artery? Only one artery. Which artery?
Pulmonary artery.
Pulmonary artery.
Pulmonary artery. Pulmonary artery. That's all. Is it yes or no? Pulmonary artery. Now again, what is happening? The deoxygenated blood is reached to whom? Reached to the lungs. What will happen? Any idea? Pranav, Nitinath or Karthikeyan?
Carbon dioxide will exhale, sir.
Carbon dioxide will be released into the Understanding? Exchange. Carbon dioxide will be exchanged. It has been go out and it has been filled with what? Fresh oxygen. Correct or not?
Fresh oxygen.
So once the blood
Oxygen.
reaches to these lungs, the lungs, deoxygenated blood releases its carbon dioxide and will absorb fresh oxygen from air. So
Oxygen.
again that blood will be become into what? Again that blood will be become into carbon dioxide will release and it has been filled with oxygen. Filled with oxygen. So that deoxygenated blood will be turned into what?
Oxygen.
Blood. So again oxygenated blood after 6 step. Again which step will come? Again lungs into what?
Left.
Left atrium by only one vein called as what?
Pulmonary vein.
Pulmonary vein. Do you understanding all of you? That is what.
Yes, sir.
Totally how many steps are involved? How
Six
many
steps.
steps are involved? 6
Six.
steps are involved. Now let me see. Once again, who will say? Akshaya, anybody? Dilipan, are you there in meeting? Janani, Nitish? Can able to speak, Nitish? First step, Prahasini. What is the first step, Prah? Deoxygenated blood will carry what?
Oxygenated blood go to pulmonary veins, sir.
Everybody. So first what? Oxygenated blood. Step 1, oxygenated blood will be carried to the left atrium by pulmonary vein. When the left atrium is in contraction. What is that?
Contract.
Contraction. That is what all of you should remember. Now, once the blood will reaches to the left atrium, when it is in
Sir,
relaxation,
relaxation, sir. Relaxation.
understanding, relaxation, the blood will reaches to the left atrium. Now, when it will contract, the blood will be passes into where? It will be pushed into, which will be pumped into
ventricle.
left
ventricle.
Left
By V1.
By
By
what?
V1.
That valve is only called as what?
Mitral valve. Mitral valve.
Mitral wall.
Now, that is what the step 2. Now, after that, from the mitral valve, the oxygenated blood is pumped throughout the body by main artery, which we used to call as aorta. That is what we called as, which will carry. The left ventricle, it will contract and contraction. So immediately the blood will be pumped into the main artery, and the main artery will be dividing into the sub arteries, means small arteries, and finally it will reaches to the what? Body cells. Correct or
Body
not?
Body
organ.
organ.
Body cells
Except
and body organs.
legs.
So, yes, everywhere. So through the what? Middle some mediator will be there. What is that mediator?
Capillaries.
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 Cap.
The blood will be reaching to the body organs.
Capillaries.
The body organs will carry out the respiration reaction and they will release what? Carbon dioxide. So
Carbon dioxide.
carbon dioxide from the capillaries, it will be given to the small veins. So the small veins are connected to the one big vein, or else main vein called as what? Vena cava.
Vena cava.
Vena cava.
So through this vena cava, the carbon dioxide rich blood, means deoxygenated blood, will be pumped into right atrium. Pumped into where?
Right atrium.
Atrium. With the help
Right
of
atrium
when it
during
is in relaxation.
relaxation.
When it is in
In relaxation.
relaxation. So finally blood will be reaches to the right atrium. Now, right atrium blood will contract.
Contraction.
Contracts.
Right
Contraction it sends to right ventricle
By
by
V2. By V2.
tricuspid valve.
What is that?
Tricuspid valve. Tricuspid valve.
Tricuspid valve. Now, this right ventricle immediately it will what? It will contract and it will pump
Contracts.
to what? It will pump the blood to the lungs. Pump the blood to the lungs by using what? Pulmonary artery. By using pulmonary artery.
Pulmonary
Deoxygenated blood. What we should call?
pulmonary
Deoxygenated blood.
Blood is pumped to the lungs.
Deoxygenated.
Now finally blood is reached to where? Blood is reached to the lungs.
Lungs.
So, yeah,
Lungs.
carbon dioxide will be released. The carbon dioxide is released
Carbon
and it is filled with what? It is filled with
Pure oxygen.
Oxygen. Pure oxygen.
filled with pure oxygen, pure O2. Now again, same thing. Again, it will turns into what? Oxygenated blood. Do you understand, Ira?
Blood.
Oxygenated blood, and again it will be continuously pumping into the pulmonary, through the pulmonary vein, again it will reach us to the left atrium. So this is called as the continuous blood circulation of human heart. So everybody must remember this diagram as well as the stepwise process. Basically, this question will come from how many marks? 5-mark question. Do you understanding, all of you? So nobody should get confused with the walls as well as understanding and this and all. So please, if you have any doubt, anybody you can ask me anything regarding this. This is a 5-mark question. So many times usually come. By that time, you have to draw this double circulation diagram and you have to explain stepwise. And all of you in your classworks also, heart diagram. Have you learned? How many of you learned heart diagram? Last class I have given you correct heart diagram. Have you learned heart diagram?
Yes, sir.
Padmavarshini, Pranita, have you learned or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You have learned that. Then below that, please all of you draw this diagram and whatever we have written now, 6 steps. That 6 steps, one by one you have to learn. Please, will you able to do it or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? That is what you have to do it. So till here, okay, till here I will stop. So this is all about the human circulatory system, which is double circulatory system. So why we should call it as double circulation means, all of you remember, because twice the blood is traveling how many times through the heart? How many times it is traveling through the heart?
2 times.
Twice.
2 times.
Twice, sir.
One time oxygenated blood, another time deoxygenated blood.
Deoxygenated blood.
The blood is traveling twice through the heart in one complete cycle. Means one complete cycle is taking place. Every one cycle, you may observe. Every one cycle, how many times blood is traveling? If you want to start with the step 1 and step 6. So how many
2
times
times.
is entering into the heart? How many times blood is entering into the heart? 1 time here and 1 time here. So 2 times the blood is, twice the blood is traveling to the heart. That is why we can call this as what? Double circulation.
Double circulation. Double circulation.
Circulation. Are you understand, Ra?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? So that is.
Yes,
Now,
sir.
today's class, last 2 names I will say. Please all of you note it down. Now you observe very carefully. The pathway of blood from heart to the lungs and back to the heart. That is only called as pulmonary circulation. What we should call?
Pulmonary.
Circulation. All of you, do you understanding, Ra? The pathway of blood from the heart to the lungs and back to the heart is called as pulmonary circulation. Means which part, Ra? Upper part or lower part? Upper part or lower part? Means from heart to the lungs and lungs to the heart. This is called as pulmonary circulation. What we should call?
Pulmonary circulation.
Pulmonary circulation. Very, very important. Now, not with the lungs, except the heart to the body organs and the body organs to the heart. What we should call? Any idea? Anybody?
Systematic circulation.
Understanding. Systemic, not systematic. Systemic circulation. What we should get? What we should call? This one.
Systemic circulation.
Systemic circulation. Please note it down. Systemic circulation. So that is why both we have 2 circulations, pulmonary circulation and systemic circulation. That is why this is called as what? What we should call? Double circulation. What we should call?
Double circulation. Double circulation.
All of you, please note it down. Definition of pulmonary circulation and systemic circulation is also important. Write it. Double circulation. First write double circulation. Definition. Why the human heart is called as double circulation? What is the reason, Ra? Right. The circulatory system in which the blood travels twice through the heart in one complete cycle of the blood is called as what, Ra? Is called as double circulation. Is called as double circulation. Example. What is the example? Example of double circulation. Example of double circulation. Human circulatory systems, correct? Human beings. Examples what? Ours only, correct?
Human circulatory system.
Understanding? Human beings are the example of double circulation system. That is next. Pulmonary system. All of you right? Pulmonary circulation. Pulmonary circulation means from where to where?
Heart to the lungs, sir.
Heart to lungs.
Heart to lungs and lungs to heart. Please write
Heart.
it. Pulmonary circulation.
Heart to lungs, lungs to heart.
Pulmonary circulation. In human circulatory system, in human circulatory system, the pathway of blood from, anybody having doubt, ask me, please respond me. In human circulatory system, the pathway of blood from the heart to the lungs, from heart to the lungs and back to the heart. Pathway of blood from the heart to the lungs and back to the heart is called, what we should call, Dina? Pulmonary circulation.
Pulmonary circulation.
Pulmonary circulation. Write it. Nitish, are you understand, Nitish? Akhil Arfan. Next. Systemic circulation, not systematic. Systemic circulation. Systemic circulation. What is systemic circulation? Anybody? Systemic circulation.
Sir, heart to body parts to heart.
Heart to body organ.
From the heart to the rest of the body, heart to the rest of the body, except what? Except lungs. Understand? That is the pathway of blood from the heart to the rest of the body, heart to the rest of the body, heart to the rest of the body, and back to the heart, and back to the heart, and back to the heart is called what we should call, Ra? Systemic circulation is called systemic circulation. Systemic circulation. So if you combine these two together, what we should call? Combine these two together. What
Double circulation. Double circulation.
Do you understanding? So double circulation means two things in human beings. That is what? One is pulmonary circulation, another one
Pulmonary
is
circulation.
systemic.
Systemic circulation.
Systematic circulation.
So this is all about how the circulatory system will take place and what is the things present inside. So with this, I will stop the today's class. Now from tomorrow, we'll continue. What kind of animals is having this double kind of circulatory system? Is there any other thing, other kind of circulatory system is having or not? That is all we have to see. Because some animals, if you take, they have only 3-chambered heart. For example, if you take frog. Do you know frog, all of you? Frog.
Yes, sir.
Frog is having only 3 chambers. Then, sir, how it is taking place? How the double circulation will take place? Or else double circulation will take place or not? That is all we'll study in the next classes. Means like cold-blooded animals, warm-blooded animals. That is all. Which one they are having a double circulation? Which one they are having a single circulation? That is all we'll study in the coming classes. So with this, I will stop. So. And one more thing I need to announce. Tomorrow till here, after the class, not without class, after the class till here, you have an exam. Do you understanding, all of you? So, till